New Cooling Loop. In ZW3D 2020, New Cooling Loop tool helps you to create the cooling system much faster. All parameters can be adjusted under a dynamic preview, and cooling parts can be automatically added at the same time. Only show the core and plate B for a clearer view. In dynamic loop form, you can select a single object or two objects to create the loop. In this case, we use two objects to create the cooling loop. Define inner shape, outer shape, and pick the top face as a line plane. Now pick points to create the cooling loop. You can see the real-time preview in the model. After the cooling loop is created, you can also adjust its height. What's more, from different suppliers, you can select cooling parts, including joint, plug, and oil ring. Diameter of the cooling loop can also be modified. Click OK. Now the design of cooling loop has been finished. The new Cooling Loop tool makes the creation of cooling system intelligent, benefiting not only designing, but also machining.